Welcome to the Canvas VeriCite training course for instructors. The purpose of this course is to guide instructors on how to use VeriCite, a plagiarism detection service, with their courses traditional, hybrid, and online, and as a resource that can be referred back to after training is completed. The course objectives. By the end of this VeriCite course, participants will be able to 1. Describe the difference between the VeriCite Native application and the VeriCite LTI tool in Canvas. 2. Identify the correct process for setting up an assignment in Canvas using the VeriCite Native application. 3. Identify the correct process for setting up a VeriCite LTI Dropbox. Lastly, 4. Review a VeriCite report. What is VeriCite? VeriCite is a plagiarism detection service that identifies potentially plagiarized or improperly cited text. VeriCite is most commonly used within a learning management system, LMS, to scan student submissions. The source automatically checks submitted work against an ever-increasing index of online sources. VeriCite can consume student inline submissions and submission files in most common file formats. It converts the student submission into plain text and excludes any quoted material for matching. The rest of the text is then compared for exact matches with existing source material. VeriCite also provides students with the opportunity of submitting their own work to be proofed and to submit assignments, which takes the focus off of plagiarism but encourages a student to present their best work. Note: if the same student's document is submitted in multiple courses, or if the instructor and student submits the same document or file, VeriCite will flag the document as plagiarized. VeriCite offers both a native integration and LTI integration for Canvas. The native integration works within the LMS's assignment tool and is enabled as part of your Canvas installation. The assignment tool is generally used by instructors to submit a document for a student as well as by students to submit assignments. The LTI allows instructors to create assignments, to organize student submissions, and grade assignments. Grades entered into the LTI tool are automatically sent to the LMS gradebook. The LTI is a direct connection to VeriCite and is used most often when grading large batches for submission. Please take a few seconds to review the VeriCite native integration pros and cons. The native integration plagiarism detection tool works within the LMS's assignments and is enabled as part of your Canvas installation. The assignment tool can be used by instructors to submit an assignment or paper for a student, but most often is used by instructors as the tool for student assignment submissions. The next few slides will guide you through the process of setting up an assignment in Canvas using the VeriCite Native application. Click on Assignments. Click the plus assignment. Enter the assignment name. Enter the assignment description. Assign points. Next, make sure to check the text entry, file uploads, and enable VeriCite submission boxes. Lastly, click the Advanced VeriCite settings. The Advanced VeriCite settings will allow you to choose when a student can view the report. Also, the instructor can check or uncheck the options to the left. Next, click Update Settings. To finish, click Save and Publish. When you go back to assignments, you can confirm that the VeriCite Native integration has been enabled. When checking student submissions, go to Assignments and do the following. Click on the assignment. Select the speed grader. Click on the percentage score to upload the file again to see if there are possibly new matches found. As you can see, after running the essay the second time, there was a 10% plagiarism score given as opposed to the 0%. The colors indicate the different levels of a match. As an instructor, you can choose the colors that concern you to get more information. You can also drill into the All Sources tab to determine if the citation is a true attempt at plagiarism. For example, if several students restate the same quote by an instructor, it will show red. Reviewing this report is important. The VeriCite LTI allows instructors to create assignments, to organize student submissions, and grade assignments. Grades entered into the LTI tool are automatically sent to the LMS gradebook. The LTI is a direct connection to VeriCite and is used most often when grading large batches, up to 100 files, for submissions. Choose Assignments. Click the plus symbol. Drill into the Type options. Select the External Tool menu item. Enter a name. Select a date. Enter points. And click Save. Click Edit. Enter a description. In the External Tool options, type VeriCite and push the Find button. Click on VeriCite, then click Select. Next, click Load this tool in a new tab. Determine the remainder of the assignment settings that you'd like to use. Warning: if you plan to use the inline comments during grading, the until date should not be used. Note: remember to just select Save. Save and Publish will make the gradebook accessible to the students. The LTI integration is now set up. Note, it is important to remember not to publish this page. If published, students will be able to see your gradebook. Next, you will create an assignment that will be published for student submissions. Please view the following slides to set up a VeriCite LTI assignment. Now that you have created the LTI assignment, you are immediately directed to the screen where student submissions can be imported. The next few slides will guide you through the submissions process. How to submit multiple digital files at the same time using the LTI integration tool. If you have a batch of files you would like to submit at once, you may upload a zip file. Note: there is a limit of 100 files or 100 megabytes total unzipped file size per zip file. Click the Load Paper button. Now click Submit Assignment. Name the assignment, then drag and drop a zipped file, and then push Submit. Notice that all of the essays have the same name. Ask your students to add their name in the title when the document is saved. Then choose the student's name for the documents and click Submit. In this section, you will learn how to read a VeriCite LTI report. Using the tutorial is very helpful. When your report opens, it will look similar to this. If there is no percentage, click % for recalculation. Also, if a student has 100%, You may want to make sure the student hasn't submitted the document also, which can produce a false positive. As you can see, there is a 10% and a 13% chance of plagiarism. To view the source of plagiarism, click the arrow to verify the citations. Note, each submission has an action box that can be used. Please be aware that delete does not remove the submission out of the repository. Clicking this drop-down will show you options to view the sources. By clicking all matches, the scale will show what level of plagiarism is suspected. Click the matches area you would like to view. You may want to read the identified area to verify if it is actually plagiarized, or you can click exclude this text to view the remaining text. As you can see, the excluded text is now crossed out. In the area identified for plagiarism, the source shows that matches were found on all of the documents submitted. The students may have restated the essay expectation. Before grading, check to see if the criteria for the assignment has been met. Choose Download Submission, and the submission will open in a window. Click the Close button. Click the Download button again to print the report. You will see the assignment you created. Choose the assignment. Enter the assignment name. Click the plus assignment. Click on Assignments. Enter the assignment description. Assign points. As you can see, after running the essay the second time, there was a 10% plagiarism score given as opposed to the 0%. Click the Print Report button, which will allow you to see the report in more detail. Click Cancel to view the report without printing. The information on this page is very important and will be needed if you would like a student submission deleted from the system. Contact Canvas support if this option is needed. View the remainder of the slides for a general overview of the instructor's report. To enter a score, click the arrow up or type in the number.